Hello, today we're going to talk about how to use Piktochart. Piktochart is a free online source that you can use to make infographics that look professional and organized and are a great way to convey information. Um, the purpose or the goal of using this would be to have students use this to create some sort of summative assessment instead of taking a multiple choice test. Maybe giving them the assignment of creating an infographic that summarizes a unit or a topic covered. Maybe it's a homework assignment that they go home and make an infographic about some sort of um, topic that they learned about, as well as research some more information about that topic. The standards that this would meet would be this one: design and adapt to relative learning experiences and incorporate digital tools, and to develop technology enriched learning environments that enable students to pursue their individual curiosities, become active participants in setting their own educational goals, managing their own learning, and assessing their own progress. I got to do this for the first time. To start off, you would start in and sign up for a free account. Once you do that, then you would simply just log in. This is what your site would look like. You can see Pikto templates and choose one of the templates that you think best represents what you want to do. There's infographic, there's reports, there's banners. They have free themes. So there's some that are up and happening right now. Easter, FIFA World Cup is something that's going on now. As you scroll down through, you can see all of the ones that would be free. They also have ones that you would have to pay for. As I was scrolling down and looking through these, I came across one that was a sort of like a resume infographic, and I found that one to be sort of interesting as I'm looking at applying for different school jobs. So I took one of the free ones and sort of made it into a sort of resume type for my own. So if I go into Save Pictographs, I can pull up the one that I did for this course. Those courses, I can go in and I can show you how to use this site. It's super easy. Depending on what you want to enter in, you can put in a line, you can put in different shapes, you can add in icons, so they have tons of different things they can just pick from. You can enter in photos. Those photos can be something that you have, or you can upload them here from your computer, which is what I did with mine. I uploaded pictures of my students. Just to click and add text, you can add text there. You can also pick from different sort of text boxes that are already put together. So you select the block that you want to work on. I just simply click one of those areas and add in text or add in a picture. Moving down, you see that the infographic is sort of broken into blocks per se. So there's one of those text boxes that I added in, and there's a text box that's added in, pictures that are put on. The thing that I really loved working with was this. This is different ways of showing data. And I think that's something that's a big gap in high schoolers' knowledge is working with lots of data and analyzing data and making data make sense. So I think this is something that would be an easy way to sort of make something fun, creative, maybe not even relevant to what their research is on, but just to have them exploring with different ways of showing some things for data analysis. So that's step by step. You can save it when you're done working, and then you can download it, you can publish it, you can share it on social networking. And I shared mine as a JPEG and then uploaded it. So that's a really awesome technology. I think, again, I would say making it some sort of summative assessment if you don't want to give a student another multiple choice question test because they're sick of taking multiple choice question tests by the end of the year. This would be a great way to see what they got from the unit that you covered and how they can present that in a very creative, hands-on manner.